So as you can see, I've got quite a few sage plants in there. I'm pretty excited. I'm probably gonna put about 3 or 4 into each one of my square foot plots, just in case some of them don't make the transplant. I'll have some backups. So yeah, I'm just going to cut across the tape I've got here and just open it up. So here are my sage babies. Set these over there real quick. And with winter sown veggies, you want to plant them while they're still fairly small. Unlike varieties grown inside, their roots are much stronger and they're already hardy. So you don't have to wait for them to get into a more mature state before they're ready to transplant. Of these sections with compost, and I'm just gonna grab this one. Oop, let me stop. Get a little closer. It's hard to do one-handed. Sorry. So you're just gonna grab as much soil to avoid the root disturbing the root as you can, and I'm just gonna pop it right there in that hole that I made. Simple as that. You can also use a fork to kind of dig it out, and I'm gonna tuck it down so that it's tamped in there. You just wanna be careful not to break the stem. And yeah, so that's one. I'll do a few more of these and we'll be all set. These are the roots, like you can see. There's a little bit of plant and tons of roots. So it's one of the benefits of winter sowing, because the root is truly the foundation of whether or not your plants are going to grow well, they're going to make it. And they really do develop so much better. Figured I'd show you guys the fork method too, since I have some out here that I use to label some of my seedlings. So let me find a good one here. Yeah, there's actually 2 right there, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna literally dig down and scoop it out, just like that. And then I'm gonna pop it into my little hole that I prepared here. Tamp it down, fill it around it, you know. And we're all set.